Hello, this is Steve Jacobson again, continuing our series of the different actors and actresses that make up the Appinium River. Today, we're going to focus on Tatum Tanaka. Tatum is an internal employee of your organization who traditionally would not be using Salesforce. But because you want to roll out Appinium for learning, Appinium for video, and you want to leverage the power of the Salesforce platform to go wall to wall, we want to introduce you to how Tatum can definitely consume and get learning and video management right through the platform of Salesforce. Now, Tatum most likely doesn't want to log into Salesforce because she doesn't use Salesforce, and the Salesforce experience might not be the best fit for her to log into. But I want to be clear that Tatum could log directly into Salesforce and use a platform license, set up the permission set in the profile, so all she sees is a home page and potentially her videos and her My Learning tab. But I think the best way to drive Tatum's experience is leverage the awesomeness of the employee community, because ultimately that place references your brand. It's your experience. It's your organization. So at Appinium, we would love to see where you want to onboard a Tatum. Now, in many cases, companies ask us, well, how can you go wall to wall? How can you work with us if they don't use Salesforce? Well, we are an OEM provider of Salesforce, so we can leverage the power of the platform license to get anybody within your organization, internally or externally, to leverage the awesomeness of Appinium. So when Tatum logs in, we would like for her to go to an employee community. And so she has a full engagement. That should become the power of your intranet. The power of the employee community can really become that destination site for your entire organization, but specifically someone like Tatum Tanaka, who does not have Salesforce today, doesn't have a real direct use case for Salesforce today, but she definitely wants to be able to access to video and learning, leveraging the power of Appinium. So let's go ahead and jump in and show you what her experience is through the eyes of Tanaka with Appinium. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen here. And what you're going to see is she's logging into a community. This would be an employee community. She would go ahead and have her credentials and she'll just log in. So I'm going to introduce you to Jordan Johnson here in a later video. And Jordan's going to have a very similar experience to Tanaka, but the difference is she's actually doing it from an employee perspective. So Tatum might log in and see some videos or some how-to videos or have that YouTube type of experience, which is very comfortable for her to share content. Could be podcast, documents, or videos. And again, using sharing rules, she's only going to see the content that's applicable to her based on her job role or however you set that up to drive that she gets the right content. From here, she can look at her learning and certifications. And again, the same thing, using the power of sharing rules, she's only going to see the learning within the organization that is meant for her job role or who she's at. She could also look and find different learning and go ahead and browse the catalog based on, again, what her role is. She also might go back to the home screen and she might have a problem. She might want to create or look at some knowledge articles. There might be some gamification where you're having your team members solicit a video of something really cool or something that they did, or some sort of challenge where they can do that. They can literally go ahead and upload that content right within the power of Appinium inside the community. She could upload content and record that content. You could have a winner, a weekly winner, a monthly winner to really drive that level of engagement with Tatum. If you click on watch previous winners, you'll see more of a playlist type of experience for her to consume that content. It could be on a monthly basis. Those videos are actually going in a certain order. And she also might have an employee portal. So the employee portal becomes your destination site. When I click on the employee portal, it's all the different things that we might want to do with your brand. There's multiple companies on the App Exchange as well as SIs that can build out an amazing experience with your employee portal and make it become a destination site. Appinium will be focused on the learning and the videos and the on-demand content, really that digital transformation and all the more awesome things you can buy from the App Exchange or have your partner, your consultant build an awesome employee portal. The key is that Appinium can help you go wall to wall with our learning and video technology natively built on Salesforce, leveraging the power of employee community. You don't have to actually buy another system. You can stay right within the Appinium River because Tatum, she can work right within the employee community, get all the learning that she needs, which really drives that whole experience of being on one system, being the employee community from Salesforce with Appinium, leveraging our technology to onboard, train, enable, and give Tatum all the information that she needs to be the best team member that she can be, all natively on Salesforce with all of your data in Salesforce. And now you've gone wall to wall with Salesforce with the organization. Thank you for spending a few minutes with me to look through the eyes of Tatum Tanaka on how Appinium can enable her to be the best version of herself she can be. Have a great day. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.